Hey guys, good morning. So let's quickly dive into the candles are from. Okay, well, basically there's something that happens in the market. The market is either in a continuation, a little rest, at let's say at a what then reversal. So market does more of two things. Is continuing an already existing trend, continuing an already existing trend, or is trying to make a reversal. It's trying to make a reversal. So you look for continuation along an already existing trend. You look for continuation trades, continuation entries along an already existing trend. Then at another point, you look for reversals to happen. That's all that. Then is your candlesticks that the market use in passing the message. So take note of these candles. These are the special candles that move the market. Just four. You don't need to know much. Just four. You have over 100 candles. There are so many candles. But just take note of these just four. First one is your doji candle. Doji. Second one. You have your hammer candle. Third one, you have your three candle formation, which is your evening or morning star, depending on where it's from. Then the fourth one, you have your engulfing. So these are the four candles that move the market. I will explain why I term them. They move the market. So for the first three, yeah, the first three candles, the doji, hammer, and three candle formation. Those candles, the first three, so the first three itself, yeah, they just tell you, okay, oh, markets might reverse. Is not so confirmed yet. But just note the first three candles, candle doji, candle hammer, and your three candle formation. They signify possible reversal. Then once you see the engulfing candle, once you see the engulfing, these are the trend reversal. Happen. Okay, so just take note of these four candles: the doji, the hammer, the three candle formation, then the engulfing. So, like I said, the first three show possible trend reversal. Possible trend reversal. Then the last one, the first three show possible trend reversal. Then the last one, once you see an engulfing candle, the trend reversal is 90% confirmed that okay, the trend is changing from the bullish to the bearish market, or it's leaving the bearish market to the bullish market. So let's go to Google. So let me show you the pictures of the candles, and possibly the next class we'll talk about the how the candles work, where you need to see them and how to trade them from subsequent classes. So the first one, let's talk about the doji, the candlestick page. So this is your doji. This is your doji candlestick. This is your doji candlestick. Let me get a better picture. This is your doji. This is your doji. This is your doji candlestick. It has a very long wick in a small body, like a very long wick. You have both, what's it called? It has a very tiny body. Sorry, tiny body, then long wick. So the body is always at the center, and it has a wick above and a wick below. That's your that's your doji. You can see it. You can always check Google to know what the doji candle means. That's your doji. Doji has a very small body, then wick above and below. And the second candle is a hammer formation, hammer candlestick. It looks like the doji as well, but this one, the body of the candle is pushed to one particular side. If the body of the candle is pushed to one particular side, unlike the doji that has the body inside, like midway of the candle, this one, the wick is one side, downside, the hammer is above. For the inverted hammer, you have the body below, the wick above. So take note, this is the inverted hammer here. This is this is the main doji. It's called a bearish pin bar here. That is your hammer formation, just like a traditional hammer. That's it. That's. So you can read about the doji. It's good. That's the hammer there. That is the hammer. So talk more. Okay. So then the next candle is a three candle formation, which is like evening star or your morning star. I call it three candle formation because it is a set of three candles put together. Your doji, your hammer are just one each, like a single pair of candles. But this evening and morning star, it comes in pairs. That's your thick candle, a candle that has volume, a small doji at the top, and another counter color candle. For the bullish one, you have a bearish candle, a doji below, then a thick green candle ahead. So that's that for that. So this one now you have it in what's it called? I call it three candle because it forms in three. It comes in three candles together, not a single candle. This is it. So you have one candle, the doji top, then you have the red at the other side. So that's the actual three candle formation. Then the last candle now is the engulfing candle. Engulfing candle. Good. To check here now, you can see this one. This was a bearish candle, small candle. Then this white one covered the full length of this red, like it's covered both below and above of that small candle, meaning this white candle engulfed the red candle. Here again, we can see the small red candle, then this green engulfed the full length of the red candle. So that's your perfect engulfing candle. Let's check for more pictures. Let's check for more pictures. Let me check for more. What is this engulfing candle? Engulfing. Which I can see here too. Small red candle, a big green, small green, a big red. Go down, you see them. Small black candle, big white. Small blue candle, big green. Small green candle, big red. a big green candle. So these are the four candles that move the market. These are the four candles that move the market. So I've told us already, take note of them. More classes will talk about them. So one is a doji, two is your hammer candle, three, your three candle formation. Then the fourth one is your engulfing candle. And what did I say? The first three candles signify possible trend reversal, not a trend reversal. The trend reversal is not confirmed yet. But on the side of an engulfing candle, you are 80-90% certain the trend reversal has happened. Then you can change variation. If you're selling before, you can actually looking for buying opportunities. If you're buying before, you can now start looking for selling opportunities. So next week or probably next class, I will try and talk about how to engage, and I'll show us these candles on the screen. Okay, let's go. No, next class I'll show us some of the candles. But let's see. You look now, we had a bullish market. Getting to this point, Doji formed. You recognize, you see your Doji candle. Doji candle formed. I told us Doji itself is not a reversal candle. Doji, three Doji formed, and what happened? We had a nice push to the downside. So prior to now, the trend of bullish, the Doji formed and market came down. Here again, the trend was bearish. Getting to this point, what can we see here? The Doji, two Doji formed here. After formation, what happened? Trend changed. The trend changed to the upside. That's that for the Doji. Let me see if I can see. Doji here again. Doji here again. Can see what happens after. Doji here again. You can see what happened after that. Good. This is your hammer formation. This one here. Market of bullish to the hammer from them. And see the selling market. Then you have multiple dojis here telling you this zone as okay, not just doji, the hammer from, doji, till you can see the trend was bullish. After this set of candles from what happened? Market changed direction. Looking like a doji, but not a very balanced one. There again, good. This is your hammer formation here. This is your hammer formation. Immediately the hammer formed. What can you see? Market dropped drastically. Doji formation. Sell, doji, sell. Hammer formation, very good. Hammer formation here. This red candle here is a hammer. After it happened, what happened? Market went up. This one is your three candle formation. Your three candle formation that comes here. This red, this doji, and this green. So this is your three candle formation happened there. This one is your doji. You can see why the bullish markets. This sharp doji formed here. What happened? Trend reverse and sold nicely. And here we have an engulfing candle. Not so perfect, but this red engulfed the previous one. Had an engulfing candle, and not so perfect. Doji here again, market dropped. The engulfing candle, see the sales that followed. Okay, guys, so these are just the four candles that you need to know. Just four candles that you need to know. In more sessions, I will walk through what these candles mean, how they form, and how best to engage when you see them. All right, guys, see you next video.